Gates open, they're up and racing. Chikatsu draws for your lead. Darlinghurst is right behind in second, followed by Summit Dancer. Amsterdam racing in fourth. The Surgeon, and trailing the group is, yes, Joey past the last 800. Chikatsu in command. Darlinghurst in second, then followed by Summit Dancer. Amsterdam Pass approaching on the outside, catching the third spot as they race to the last 450. Chikatsu, Darlinghurst in second. Amsterdam now trying to get closer in third, then followed by Summit Dancer as they swing for home. Chikatsu leading the field. Darlinghurst running on the outside by the rail. Amsterdam, and down the stretch they come. Chikatsu, Amsterdam in second. With the last 75 meters of the race, it's all Chikatsu. Amsterdam, Darlinghurst, then followed by Summit Dancer, the Surgeon, and yes, Joey.
2, 3, 1.
Yeah.